You may have trained an object detection model, maybe something like YOLO, and at the end of the training, it shows metrics like precision and recall. But have you ever wondered what do these metrics really mean and why are they important? Let us break it down in the simplest way possible. To make things easy to understand, let us use an analogy. Imagine you are writing an exam. Let us say that the exam has 10 questions and each question carries 10 marks, making the total 100 marks. These 10 questions represents the objects in our dataset. This is our ground truth. Now, before writing the exam, the first thing you do is read the questions and identify the ones you know how to answer. Let us assume you can answer 8 out of 10 questions. That means you are able to recall 8 questions from your memory. So, your recall is 80%. In the same way, in object detection, if there are 10 objects in the validation dataset and the model accurately detects 8 of them, then the recall is 80%. Recall is all about how well your model can find all the real objects. Now let us talk about precision. You start writing the answer to these 8 questions. After finishing the exam, you tell your friend, I attempted 8 questions and I am pretty sure I will get at least 70 marks. This means out of the 80 marks you attempted, you expect 70 to be correct. So your precision is 70 by 80, which is 87.5%. In the same way, in object detection, this means that out of all the detections which the models made, 87.5% of them were actually correct. Precision is all about how accurate your model's predictions are. In short, you recalled 8 out of 10 questions, which is your recall. And out of these 8, you think you got 7 correct answers, which is your precision. Now, let us connect this to the technical terms. True positive means the questions you answered and got correct. In this analogy, it is 7. In object detection, this means that the model has correctly identified an object. False positive means the questions you answered and got wrong. In this analogy, it is 1. In object detection, this means that the model has done a false detection. False negative means the questions which you skipped due to the low confidence. In this analogy, it is 2. In object detection, this means that the model has failed to detect an object in the image. Let us have a look at the formulas. Precision is true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. And recall is true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. Let us move on the F1 score. To understand this, let us modify our analogy a bit. Let's say precision is like subject 1 and recall is like subject 2. Now, imagine you are calculating your CGPA. To get a high CGPA, you need to perform well in both the subjects. If you score a perfect 100 in precision but fail in recall, your CGPA drops. Likewise, if you do well in recall but poorly in precision, your CGPA still suffers. Only when you do good in both the subjects, your CGPA will be high. The F1 score behaves exactly like this. It is the harmonic mean of precision and recall, which means it rewards balance between the two. The formula to calculate the F1 score is 2 times precision multiplied by recall divided by precision plus recall. So, when you see a high F1 score, you can be confident that you have a well-balanced model that is both finding the object it needs to find and is accurate when it does. If you found this helpful, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I will see you next time.